Morning. Let's have a look at oil. Yesterday I was looking for a pullback. We got a little blip up in the diff. It was not quite. I said to you I'd prefer to see a slightly bigger drop on the diff, and it was very tight. And although I did short it, I got out at only 8 cents loss just before it shot up. I had time to think. I just got out of the position, and it suddenly just jammed up. Now, the diff is pointing back down again today, and the average is also pointing back down. So we're in a bit of a better position. This is pointing a bit nicer to the downside. And we should really be looking for at least a little sea leg, regardless. Now, we had an inside momentum day, then a normal day. So this momentum line isn't really very good. We'll just have to use the longer term, which comes in where the low value is anyway. So break below 98.20. is going to confirm that downtown in the diff and in the average diff. And we've got an A leg, A, B, C, A, B, C. So it's an A, B, C. And if this is an A and this is a B, a C leg, we've got $4, almost a $5 movement on the A leg. And if we take that off a $3 movement, it gives us $2 below, which is 95.79 area. It's a standard sort of stretch area on oil. It comes down, and of course it can go along below that. But if you're looking for a sell-off, 95.79 would give us a C leg, because that would be just below the A leg. So I mean, it would need to get below that anyway, which would be $1.50, which is 96.29 minimum, and then another 50 cents below that to 95.79, and obviously further room to the downside should it wish so. I mean, it's done enough for an ABC, but this is considering the length of this, this is a bit short to be a C leg. So get an ABC back down here for a little B leg. It's an A, it'll be a B, and then we'll push on up again probably. Weekly, I said that it could have got up to there. I was trying to sell it at this sort of level. It did actually do that extra push up. And normally the following day you can see it sometimes gets all the way back up to the next week. We'll get back up to the $4 above, which is where you can get the pullback, because we're going to be at current levels. We'll be below a 2-week momentum line next week at these sort of levels, with a little bit of room to the upside. So if you have a couple of dollars sell-off, come back down to here, you'll have room $3 or $4 to go back up the next week, depending. The diff will be pointing down though next week on this basis. Though as you can see, the average is still in a C leg, and of course for next week it will be still in a C leg situation. It will have completed it, or done enough, should I say. So we'll see. But that's the scenario for today. Really, is that if we can break 98.20, you should get a $2 to $3 sell-off from here. Good luck.